In this seminar, I learned to identify the space I'm in. Ngalowo mzuzu. It taught me to be able to identify that I'm triggered, and it's because of into ethile that makes me to be triggered, and also how to deal with that. There is something that also Sfigile mentioned, that the triggers happens, like there are many things that makes one to be triggered. It's either a trigger of smell, it's either a trigger of taste, or it's a trigger of something that you see, something that you hear, something that you touch. Yazi ngenze ngathi ivele iqhamuke nje from nowhere, kanti it's because of the things that happened in the past. Then now I know how to identify things that are a trigger, and I know how to